to the Disney Vibe Sisters. I'm Audie.
And I'm Tinley.
And today we're on the Disney Dream cruise ship. This is day 4 and we're at Castaway Cay.
We got matching bracelets, y'all.
It's behind. And we're actually filming this after we went to Castaway Cay, but you'll see us going first. And we got
matching bracelets. We can track, or I'm going to take it off. Here. It's like a little turtle charm. Then like I got Sky Stone and you got, I don't remember what her stone is, but it's like that.
So yeah, I'll see you guys at, we're going to eat breakfast, but
here, let's get you guys a good view while she talks.
That's all.
Oh, okay.
Here's us eating at breakfast, and here's what they had at the buffet, and it was Churro Waffle Day, which is the last day of your sailing. So yeah, here's what they had. Castaway Cay. So yeah, we're gonna go. I don't really know what we're gonna do yet. We're gonna go walk over to the area, the beach, I think. This beach area. We haven't been here. I mean, we have been here before, but it's been a long time ago and I don't really remember it. But yeah, we don't really have anything. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Do you want to check out my shirt I bought yesterday? I bought another one. I'll show you it today as well.
Yes, we're at Lookout Cay and I don't really know what we're gonna do, but we're going.
Hey, so last time I was on a hammock.
A tip to get in this hammock.
A disaster happened. So
we were actually at Caribbean Beach at Disney World.
Did I do it?
Yeah, you're there. Yay!
Yay! So exciting! I feel like I'm gonna die.
You see the cruise ship over there?
Oh, this is kind of nice.
So I think we're gonna hang out on the beach and then we're gonna go look at the gift shops.
It's kind of nice though.
I don't think we're gonna spend much time here.
Look up at the palm tree. Fell. Trying to get on a hammock because I left the hammock and I fell. Trying to get on a hammock again. Audie's on the hammock and she's falling. It's really hard, y'all. So I'm gonna take you with me and try to get on the hammock. We're gonna go on the other side because Audie's sitting on this side. Hey. Okay. We're gonna try to put my head up here. What?
That is fire right there.
Yes. But, ooh, the palm tree's red. Ooh, that's a cool view. Look how cool that is. Audie, you're still in the way. Move back.
We're gonna go to the gift shops now and look around at the gift shops. We're here at the seashore shop. They got dolphins with a baby dolphin. That's great.
What they have up here, I guess?
A stingray.
Oh my gosh, I need this.
Hello there. How you doing? Good. How are you?
She sells seashells, and we're gonna look around here too. Yes.
There's like that over there.
Oh, we need to go film that. We haven't been there yet.
And there's a little chute. What is this?
It's a water toy.
Okay.
And there's some other water toys over here. I mean, I think they're for the water. I'm not sure. So it looks like it has a little bit of a more selection than the last shop, but it looks like some of the stuff is pretty similar. So what's up?
This pack is open. In the pack comes with 2.
Okay. We did not. You did not open the pack, right?
Yeah, I think it was just to show what it comes with.
Okay. Did you get your pens?
Yeah, I wish I didn't yet, but because I would have got this one instead.
Oh. Well,
This place has good pens.
I'm thinking about getting this bracelet. I don't know though.
Can you get matching bracelets?
I want this.
Will you pay for mine? To get matching bracelets?
No.
Oh,
I might. It depends.
one bag.
Bye, thank you. Bye. This is us in the elevator after we left Castaway Cay, and this is an elevator that had paintings in it, so I filmed some of that. So here's the footage of that. Vanilla piece.
No, we're walking on number 4.
And we're gonna walk on deck 4 and show you guys what it looks like. It's like the walking running area, and then we're gonna go on to Vanilla Piece Treats, which is it's an added cost. It's a
Added
extra
cost,
which means it's not like the ice cream where you can just go up and get it. It is an added cost, so you do have to pay extra.
I think I'm gonna get bubblegum gelato.
Yeah.
What are you gonna get?
Probably.
Oh, and there's Bluey and Bingo macarons, so we might get those to share. got gelato. I got, can I hear me?
Yeah.
I got poppin' boba, green apple and strawberry, and cherries. And then
What flavor is it? Bubblegum?
it is bubblegum gelato.
This is Twix, I think. And this is red velvet with Reese's Pieces on top, and then we'll review it. And then we also got Bingo and Bluey macarons. So we're gonna review it now. So my red velvet tastes like vanilla, so
No, it doesn't.
it says too. It tastes like vanilla, so I would not get this. But the Twix one is really good. I recommend that. The bubble gum tastes like straight up bubble gum. It's very powerful. Bubble gum.
Yeah, it's like you're
Or it tastes like chocolate, not vanilla.
What?
What? Are these peanut butter?
Yeah, the Reese's Pieces.
And I got poppin' boba and cherries on mine. We're gonna try a bite with all the flavors of poppin' boba. We got the bite. Really good. Would you like to say anything else? Mom, do you like this one?
Yeah, it's good.
Can I rip this so what Mom got? She says it's good. Oh,
And
These
Jet
are-
Spear was pulling in one of those big old bikes.
What was?
A jet spear.
I got-
I attached something to the bike and he's pulling it.
I think
somebody
it
else?
said
Yep.
Bluey's passion fruit and Bingo's
week
caramel,
before
but I'm
ours.
not sure. So
I'm
we'll have
pretty
to
sure
figure
it said Bingo's passion fruit and Bluey's vanilla.
But I don't know what's going on. We'll have to
Well, I
figure it
believe it.
We're gonna
Remember
figure it
how
out
hard
in
that
a
was?
second. Oh, these are
You don't
two.
realize going.
out. So I take back what I said about my velvet gelato. It's actually kind of good, and it has
There's
Oreo
Oreo
bits that
pieces.
come with it. And also,
The Oreo makes it really good.
And also, I tried the macarons, and they taste like They taste like a vanilla macaron and a passion fruit macaron. So they're
So who was
pretty
correct?
self-explanatory.
Who was correct?
So yeah, Bluey's vanilla and Bingo's passion fruit.
Is it passion fruit or mango?
It's passion
I think it's
fruit.
passion fruit.
There's nowhere else. Okay, and y'all, there's like Skittles in this. I can't find one anymore, but don't mind my poppin' boba. But there's like Skittles in here.
No, those are bubblegum pieces.
No, they're not. They're Skittles. They taste like Skittles. Taste this. Tell me if it's a bubblegum piece or a Skittle.
And speaking of Bluey and Bingo, we're gonna go see them after we eat this. That's a bubblegum piece.
No, it's not.
Everybody's going wild. And then Mom's gonna get in there real quick.
This one's good. And let's look at our camera. One more.
Here's some footage of us sailing away from Castaway Cay. Here we are, AnimatorsPalette. Here's the menu.
The garlic dip here.
Thank
Very nice dip. Probably you would not even need the butter to do that. The dipping is so nice. This is the main. It's like aioli, and today the bread is herb and garlic focaccia. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Go ahead and give you the quick recommendations. There's one appetizer which is very. Cameras are very.
Check it out, me and my fishy band. We're double cruising the big old lake. Saw you living.
This is the stuff that everybody says is really good, so we're gonna try it. I think it's really good.
I'm gonna cut it because these are kind of big to put in your mouth.
Thank you.
It's gonna be.
Here's salmon.
So y'all, I'm almost done. A little bit of sauce, ready?
Anybody want to try
It's good. I wouldn't rave about it though. What is that? No.
Okay, I'm gonna try it now.
Did you ask her about the room service?
Okay, it's good. It's not as good as I thought. Like, everybody says this is really good. I think it was over the top good, but it's good.
Okay, so the pasta is okay. Some of them are really good, and then some of them are just like okay.
Kimmy said mine wasn't very good. Like, she tried one off my plate and said it wasn't very good. But she got the same thing on a separate plate. So.
And the salmon fillet is good-ish. But yeah. So, Audie's gonna review next. This is a terrible angle.
I think the truffle pasta is a little overhyped. It was good, but it's okay. You can try it if you want. And the salmon was good. I like the salmon.
I think the pasta's overhyped too.
Here's the soup.
Didn't do it for me.
And then here's the walnut salad.
Hey, I got the soup.
Is it good?
The bacon's very crunchy. It's good.
Yes, I agree. I really like the soup. Okay, so here's the pasta. And we're going to try it now.
I've already tried it. Thank you.
Okay. I've had this before on another cruise ship, so
It wasn't very good on the last ship.
just a minute.
This is a lot better on this ship.
Yeah, I agree. It's better than I remember. It is a little basic, but it's better. It's good. That doesn't mean it's bad. It is really good. So.
Dudes, you're dope.
Decided not to get any desserts at Animator's Palette, and we just ordered room service. So, can I touch it?
Yeah.
What's it? So we got buffalo wings, a cheeseburger, I think.
A cheeseburger, I think.
Yeah, it's a cheeseburger.
Okay.
It's
You got your Mickey bars?
Another cheeseburger, and then is that buffalo wings?
That's a cheesecake.
Oh, it's cheesecake.
Did you get your Mickey bar?
No, and then you can order Mickey bars. They're not on the menu, but you can ask for them. This is us at Cabanas the day we got off the ship. Cabanas is open when you get off the ship, but it's limited amount of items. Like, it doesn't have as much food as normal. And they only open one side, so it does get really crowded and busy. And the line, I'll show you in the video, but the line was going outside of Cabanas. So just be prepared for that. It's kind of chaotic. And also the seating right by where the Cabanas is open, that on that side gets really busy. And we walked down to where it wasn't open, but the seating was open and it wasn't as busy. But you can also get assigned a sit-down restaurant to eat breakfast at. It's the restaurant that you ate at before. So for us, it would have been Animator's Palette. And if you have earlier dining, you're probably going to get 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. as your time. And if you have later dining, you're probably going to get 8 a.m. We had later dining and we got 8:30 for our breakfast time, I think. But it's just where you get assigned the time and you go sit down and order breakfast. But you don't have to go. Like, we decided to go to Cabanas instead. And then here's the food we got that day, too.
And hope you have a safe and pleasant journey home.
Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed the video. We have more cruise videos on our channel, and if you haven't watched the previous videos to these cruise videos, then go check those out too. We have Disney World videos, ride-through videos, Disneyland videos, food reviews, and more coming. We have a Pop Century tour coming, some more Disney World content, so stay tuned for that and consider subscribing if you like those videos.
And turn the notifications on if you want to be notified when we post. Bye!